where Muslim are in majority in Kashmir. You know what happened there? Hi friends, good afternoon. Right now I am at Hojkas MCD Primary School.
I stay in this area for last 54 years, my dear son.
And our election journey, Kanyakumari to Kashmir, tak reached New Delhi constituency. We will ask to voter what motivated them to come to the polling station in this hot day.
So there was no way I was traveling or doing anything else, even though I had my birthday last night.
So at the time of voting, you saw a number of buttons on the EVM machine. So what was you thinking at the time of voting?
You didn't ask me about this constituency.
Are you satisfied with the Kejriwal's work in Delhi state?
Where is the control of Delhi government on over hundreds of things? It is all handled by this Modi government.
So can you compare Kejriwal, Narendra Modi and Pandit? So you was excited to vote today as you are the first time voter.
Another very important point. You asked me a very good question.
How you compare Modi and Kejriwal in Delhi? So what are the problems you are facing and what do you expect with the new government?
Where is the state government working in Delhi?
Do you see Kejriwal as a PM of India in future? Was there any issue or candidate who influenced your decision?
ये महात्मा गांधी को मैंने देखा है, पंडित नेहरू के बुद्ध को मैंने पढ़ाया.
So what do you expect with the new government? Did you notice any change in last 10 years? Okay.
Mamata Banerjee was PM.
So as a citizen, what is your promise towards the country?
Akhilesh Yadav PM.
I expect Delhi people know the difference between the central government and the state government.
Yeah.
So how you compare the Modi's work and Kejriwal's work in Delhi?
Rahul Gandhi PM. There was so many PMs.
Yes. Sorry, you are only one who can compare.
बस कई इशू है. ये तो हमारा देश इतना बड़ा देश है. जैसे हर कंट्री में मैं सोचता हूँ कि आज के समय में एक महात्मा गांधी
After 10-15 years, we will not find the people like you.
that is
Yeah. And how was their voting experience? And what are the issues and what are the problems and what they expect with the government?
अब होगा चुनाव का स्टैटिक एनालिसिस.
तो आइए करते हैं जनता से बात.
Hi sir, this is Election Chanakya and in this hot day, what motivated you to come for the voting?
Well, I'm an educated guy.
Yeah.
We must vote.
Yeah.
And it's whether it is in support of the country or it is in support of the candidate.
Yeah.
One must vote.
Is there any problem in the voting process you faced?
No, I didn't. Oh,
Okay.
yes, I did. I
Yeah.
did.
Okay.
My name was not there, and the number was not there.
Okay.
Photograph was there,
Okay.
and my name was put there as Renu Saxena.
Oh.
My name is Rakesh Saxena, and my
So
wife.
how you resolved the problem?
My wife saw that my photograph
Okay.
and said my name. Her name is Renu Saxena, and against my name also it was mentioned Renu Saxena.
Oh.
That's silly of them.
Right.
These guys sitting there saying that we are from the election commission, they know nothing about it. Another very important point, you asked me a very good question. The list which is available with these guys and the list which is available in the room, they differ like anything.
Okay.
That should not be there. Had it been the same, I would not have been.
So at the time of voting, you saw a number of buttons on the EVM machine. So what was you thinking at the time of voting?
Nothing, I was very much particular
Clear.
to whom I have to vote.
Okay. So what do you expect with the new government?
New government,
Yes.
they should do something great
Okay.
and not false promises.
Okay.
The country should not die in the loans and loans and loans.
Okay. Do you see any changes in last 10 years?
There are plenty of changes, but at the same time, much more expected. Unemployment should go. I mean, reduced like anything. The world awareness about this country has gone up. I have been traveling abroad. My children live in Australia. I go there every year, and I go to New Zealand also, which is very close by. But it is a lot of things which are wanted. That higher level is still not there.
Okay.
It has got a good name because of cricket, India, but the politicians are still like that they say that they should export the politicians.
So, as a literate voter of the Delhi,
Yeah.
I think you know the difference between the central government work and the state government work.
It is.
Okay.
But
So,
where is the central government? Where is the state government working in Delhi? It's zero but a zero. It is everything is if you are mentioning there, where is the control of Delhi government on over hundreds of things? It is all handled by this Modi government. I'm not against Modi. I'm not bothered and not worried about him. But at the same time, there is no control of Delhi government in Delhi itself.
okay. So, that is my question.
Yes.
How you compare Modi and Kejriwal in Delhi?
Kejriwal is much better in Delhi.
Okay, for the state government work.
Yes.
And what do you think about Modi's work in central government?
Because there is no opposition, he is the only choice left out.
Then
Had
Modi is
there
better.
No, there is no comparison.
Okay.
Had there been some opposition, had there been any opposition, tough opposition, every opposition wants them to be the PM.
Okay.
Mamata Banerjee wants PM. Akhilesh Yadav is a very good guy, educated guy. PM. Rahul Gandhi, PM. You know, so many PMs. You know, that's what the Modi has been taking advantage of.
Do you see Kejriwal as a PM of India in future?
No, not very early. Not very early. It
Thank
will
you, sir.
take time.
Thanks to talking
But
with.
yes, if
Yeah.
you didn't ask me about this constituency, what Somnath Bharti has done, nobody has done here.
Okay.
And he's fighting his role, he's fighting his candidature against a newcomer who is totally new in this field.
So you voted Somnath Bharti in Lok Sabha election?
Naturally.
Okay. But
Because-
Somnath Bharti worked in the state government.
Then what?
This is the election for the central government.
It's not that.
Okay.
He's coming from you always take a step by step. He was Metropolitan Councillor. The MP was not to be seen, Meenakshi, not to be seen in the last years. I stay in this area for last 54 years, my dear son.
Okay. Thanks to talking with Election Chanakya.
Yes, I'm
Thanks.
Rakesh.
Viewers, I am with Mr. Ajay Ghatak who came here for the voting and he is 84-year-old. We will just ask some questions about the voting and issues of this constituency. So, sir, what motivated you to come here for the vote?
ये तो एक सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, तो इसलिए मैंने सोचा, शुरू में सोचा था नहीं जाएंगे, बहुत गर्मी है, लेकिन मैंने सोचा नहीं, ये तो जाना है, हम लोग अगर नहीं जाएंगे तो ये तो सिस्टम जो है बहुत अच्छा है, तो जो भी जिसको भी वोट देना है, वोट तो देना जरूर चाहिए।
Did you face any problem in the voting?
बहुत लोग अच्छे थे, बहुत हेल्पफुल थे और कोई टाइम भी नहीं लगा और 10 मिनट में सारा काम हो गया। बहुत अच्छा मैनेजमेंट है, बहुत अच्छा।
Was there any issue or candidate who influenced your decision? Okay.
नहीं।
So, what do you expect with the new government?
करप्शन फ्री, दैट इज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग। लेकिन ये है कि करप्शन फ्री तो हो रहा है, लेकिन बस करप्शन का ही इशू है, नहीं तो हमारा देश इतना बड़ा देश है कि और इतना रिसोर्सेस है, इतने अच्छे लोग हैं। जैसे हर कंट्री में मैं सोचता हूँ कि आज के समय में एक महात्मा गांधी होना चाहिए। जैसे इजराइल और गाजा में युद्ध हो रहा है, यूक्रेन और रशिया में युद्ध हो रहा है, उसका सोल्यूशन क्या है? There have to be people with the thinking of Mahatma Gandhi that we must assimilate. यही हमारी देश की सबसे बड़ा गुण है, डाइवर्सिटी। The diversity is whether he is a Hindu or a Muslim or ईसाई और पारसी, हर प्रॉब्लम का एक पीसफुल सोल्यूशन होना चाहिए।
Okay.
ये जो इजराइल में तो अब इसमें कौन ज्यादा दोष का है ये तो कहना बड़ा मुश्किल है, तो इसका सोल्यूशन सिर्फ महात्मा गांधी का है।
Okay.
जो हिंदुस्तान में हमारे है, तो वो सबसे बड़ा जो इन्फ्लुएंस है वो we must have people like Mahatma Gandhi more
As you
in
told-
each country.
As you told me that you are 84-year-old, right?
84 plus, I'll be
So
85
you
this
was
year.
born in 1939,
So I have seen
Okay.
independence.
before independence,
I've
and you
seen that.
also
I've seen it.
read about Mahatma Gandhi in
Oh,
newspaper
I've
and all.
seen it.
Okay, you
I have
seen.
seen it.
Okay,
My father took me to a ground near Ramlila ground. I still remember that day. महात्मा गांधी को मैंने देखा है, पंडित नेहरू के पुत्र को मैंने पढ़ाया है फिजिक्स,
okay.
राजीव गांधी एंड संजय गांधी, उनके घर जाकर 1961।
So can you compare Kejriwal, Narendra Modi, and Pandit Nehru?
ये तो बड़ा मुश्किल
Sir,
सवाल है।
you are only one who can compare because you are 84-year-old. After
सबसे
10-15 years,
ज्यादा-
we will not find the people
हाँ।
like you.
दैट इज ट्रू।
Yeah.
तो सबसे ज्यादा है वो एक रिस्पेक्ट फॉर अदर रिलीजन, रिस्पेक्ट फॉर अदर पार्टी। भाजपा का आदमी जब वो दूसरे को गाली देता है या केजरीवाल का आदमी उसको गाली देता है,
But sir,
ये
how
मुझे-
can it?
ये मुझे सहन नहीं होता।
How can it be possible from one side? See, where
दोनों side.
no, see,
दोनों side.
see where Muslim are in majority
हाँ
in Kashmir.
हाँ,
You know
हाँ,
what happened there?
ये इस चीज में मैं जाना नहीं चाहता।
Motivated you to come to the voting polling station in this hot day.
I mean, for me, it's my first election ever. So, throughout my life, I've never been in Delhi, even though my voter ID was from Delhi. So, I had this chance of being in Delhi this time, so I had to keep my plans aligned to the election. So there was no way I was traveling or doing anything else, even though I had my birthday last night. But I made sure that my birthday happens in Delhi. I get to vote today. So
You was excited to vote today as you are the first time voter. So what are the problems you are facing and what do you expect with the new government?
I mean, see, any government, they need to basically understand what the common man needs, and it does not matter who and what ideology or what opinion they're coming from. What matters is that they're aligned to the consensus of the whole country. So that's my expectation, and I hope that whoever comes, they do the best possible.
Did you notice any change in last 10 years?
Yes, of course, massive changes, massive changes, and mostly positive ones. I mean, but that's according to me. And I would want the administration to do well, and I would wish them all the best. But yeah, in the last 10 years, I feel one of the biggest changes, digitization of economy, and the massive boost in infrastructure, and a lot of basic policy level changes that are happening on a rural area. From what I've heard, they're giving huge amounts of electricity connections and housing and so on. This is the list is endless, and there might be some negative things also, but I find it mostly positive. So,
I expect Delhi people know the difference between the central government and the state government.
yeah.
So how you compare the Modi's work and Kejriwal's work in Delhi?
See, I mean, the Prime Minister of the country, he is responsible for the whole country, whilst the Chief Minister of the city of Delhi is responsible for the city of Delhi. So I don't think it's fair to compare the two of them because the responsibilities and roles are very, very different. However, I feel that I don't know, the administration roles are so different that I wouldn't want to compare the two things.
I mean to ask, are you satisfied with the Kejriwal's work in Delhi state?
See, Delhi is a very unique case, to be honest, and I'm not a political.
That's why I'm asking.
I'm not a political expert, but Delhi is because the capital. It's the capital of the country, so anyway, it's like a microcosm of the whole country. So regardless of that is my opinion. Regardless of whoever it is, Delhi will always continue to grow. And at the same time, I don't want to comment negatively or positively. It's just that whoever comes as the Chief Minister of Delhi, I just feel that the responsibilities are so less, and maybe rightly so, that it does not.
What are your expectations with the government?
The central government.
Yes, new government.
I mean, the central government. I would want them to. That's a good question. They're already doing so many things, but I would want the.
What do you want to add? The government is doing a lot, I know, and you know well.
See, I think now it's the time to sort of envision where we're going to be in the next 20 years, and the next 5 years are going to define that. And in order to do that, we need to see what are the best nations on an international level are doing, and probably see how that can be, how that information can be used in our country and in our society, and maybe modernize our cities, modernize our infrastructure, modernize the education systems, everything. I think the country is ready to take the next step, and we just need to do it.
See, government and citizen has different role to run the country. So, as a citizen, what is your promise towards the country you will do?
I mean, I honestly feel that social morality is very important, and every citizen, every member should be socially responsible, and just like contribute in your own way. You can maybe you can be a journalist, you can be a designer, you can be, I don't know, an engineer, lawyer, whoever you are. Just like contribute in your own small way, and just like yeah, like be socially responsible.
Thanks for talking with Election Chanak and giving your valuable time. Thanks.
Thank you so